Well, welcome back, DIY car guys and car girls. And I guess your boy did it. I got a job. Actually, I'm just gonna wrap this one up to like a good karma and just being very lucky. The way I got this job, I sent out, a bunch. Over the past month, I've been sending out a bunch of resumes because I knew it's probably going to be a position where I wasn't going to have a job this year. So I just, planned for the worst and hoped for the best. And luckily, the best has happened to me. So next week, I'll be starting at a new company. I'll give you guys the particulars after I talk to them. I'm not sure what all I can talk about online with them. It's not anything government. It's more commercial based. And I think it's a good opportunity for me because it's more along the lines of stuff that I'd like to do. It's going to be social media advertisement, commercials, graphics, things of that nature, and nothing to do with the government, which I've been doing DoD stuff for so long, which is Department of Defense, DoD stuff for so long. And those contracts, about every year or every couple of 6 months, I was always in fear that I was going to lose my job because it's all about contracting and they don't got the money to pay you. You are out of a job. But I had a good run with that company. Like I said, I don't have nothing bad to say about them. They're doing the best they can. I was with them for 16 years, so it's time to start a new chapter. And I just say, if some of you guys prayed for me, like I said, I'll pray for you guys. If one of you guys out there going through rough times, man, hey, all I got to say is just be a good person. Don't be a dick. We're all human. We're going to be a dick at some time in our life. But it's important that when you're speaking to people, no matter how aggravated you are, to at least give an effort to be a decent human being. Be considerate. I see so much when you're out. I mean, you guys see it too. People just inconsiderate, only thinking about themselves. And really, as a great nation, the United States, or just humanity as it is, just be considerate to your neighbors. I mean, really, I'm not a religious person, but a lot of those good teachings are in the Bible. There's so many religions. Like every religion thinks they have their God is the best God, but there's really only one God, and that's the one that I pray to, and He has definitely did me a solid. See, I'm getting laid off on the 16th, and I'm starting a new job on the 17th. So I'm gonna say that I'm blessed, and I'm not gonna take any of this for granted because I am a hard worker. So what that means is the old S10 right here, we can still work on it. I'm probably not going to be doing videos as frequently because over the past 2 years, I've been working from home because of COVID. And I can, work early in the morning, that I can get off around 3 and get to working on the S10 or making other videos. But now I'm going into work, so I'm probably going to go into work when I get home. I'm probably not going to do anything on the weekdays. So the weekends is the only time that I can probably do videos for you guys. But we'll see how it goes. I just want to give you guys an update. And I'm definitely stoked about that. So having a job is good. And like I said, we need to be better as people, guys. I mean, we have to be more considerate. In my past, I've done a lot of dumb things. And that's one thing I was worried about. Actually, I had this job. I was hoping I was going to get it for a while. But in the past, I wasn't, have a not so great past, but I've been a good boy for quite some time. But luckily, like I said, the universe or God or whatever you believe in, He was good to me on this one. So I got to do Him a solid and just be a better person this year in 2022 also. So that's about it for this video, guys. Just go out there. If you see someone stranded beside the road, if you can help them, get out there and help them, because the only way that we're going to make it through these next couple of years of everything that's going on is this being good to your fellow man. Like I said, we're all human. We make mistakes. We get aggravated. We lose our cool. But as long as we can just, stick to our roots and just help our fellow person, I think we'll make it out all right in the end of all this. Because remember, people are stronger than nations. Because nations may have their own agenda, but the people with your fellow man, whatever you go out there and do, that is what matters more than what we being wrapped up, worried about what's going on high up in the government or overseas, stuff that we really have no control. We have a little control about it, because we can go out there and vote for someone we think is a good person who might be able to make a difference in, these politics and everything that's going on. But I'm not going to hold my breath. So I just want all you guys to get out there and just help your fellow man and be a better person. That's my New Year's resolution, because like I said before, I'm blessed that I got this job. So I'm going to do my best to be a better human being in 2022. Take it easy, guys. Peace.